Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my last video, we discussed about some requirements of Amazon Associate Program. This video is the sequel of that video. Today we will discuss about enrollment and eligibility criteria for Amazon Associate Program. So before starting Amazon Associate Program, your website must contain an appropriate content on that website. And the second thing, your website, content of your website must be publicly available on your website, and you need to put all the you need to put all the details of your website on Amazon application form. And after that your application will be evaluated. If uh, if this content is fine for Amazon, it will be accepted, otherwise it will be rejected over there. And if your application is accepted, you will be eligible for Amazon affiliate program, and you can get special links for products, and you can advertise them on your website, and that you can start your Amazon affiliate program. But on at the same time, it's very important to know what kind of content is not suitable for website if you are planning to put that website on Amazon affiliate program. So first of all, you can see the point A here. Website should not contain or promote or any sexually explicit program, or it has any obscene material. So this website will not be applicable for Amazon affiliate program. And the point two, if your website is promoting violence or containing any violent material, or you are promoting or endorsing any potentially dangerous material or dangerous or harmful material, your website will not be applicable for that. And the next point, if your website is promoting or containing any false or deceptive or libelous material, or any defamatory material, your website will not be eligible for that program, as it is mentioned in point C. And in point D, if you're promoting or your website containing any activity that is hateful, that is harassing, that is harmful, and you are invading someone other's privacy, it is abusive, or any discriminatory material, if you are making any kind of discrimination on the basis of race, color, sex, religion, nationality, disability, or sexual orientation or age, so your website is not fine for Amazon. And the next point, in point E, you can see you cannot promote or undertake any kind of illegal activity on your website if your website is linked on Amazon Associate Program. And the next point, that is very very important, the point F here, this one. If you're planning to put your website for Amazon affiliate program, uh, according to uh, Children Online Protection Act, you cannot use your website to collect any kind of data. You cannot use like, your target audience should not be less than 13 years old. At least it should be 13 years old, otherwise you cannot collect any kind of data. You can promote your link, you cannot promote your sales, or if your website is involved in any kind of such activity, your website is not eligible for Amazon affiliate program. And next thing, point G here. If you're including any kind of trademark or any kind of sign that's showing that, yeah, that you are affiliating with Amazon, you are doing something for Amazon, so it's not, you cannot use any kind of tag, any kind of ID for your website, on your website, that you are linked, you are affiliated, you are working for Amazon. So this is important point. And the point H, you can see you cannot violate any intellectual property right. Like you cannot use any copyrighted material for that. Here is the detail of all the material which should be under the Copyright Act. So you must be like you can see from here like you should know about all the content which is copyrighted, so you should not use that content on your website if you are trying to put your website on Amazon affiliate program. And the second point, what about the links or special links on your website? uh, when you applied for Amazon affiliate program, your website is approved, your application is accepted for that program, then you will be eligible to promote sales on Amazon. So in order to get payouts, so Amazon will provide you special links to put those links, those special links on your website. So whenever someone will click on these links, and if they make any kind of purchase, even the purchase other than that product, you will be paid out. That those special links, these are associated with your associate ID, which will be provided to you. And here are some general requirements for special links. Okay, first of all, the important thing, if your application is accepted, you are qualified Amazon affiliate program, then you can use those special links to put on your website. If your application is in process, if your application is rejected, if your application is not approved, so you are not eligible to put those links on those special links on your website. And the second point, if you need any sub tag other than the tag which is provided to you by Amazon, if you need any special tag, you can specially request Amazon. They will provide you that special tag for you which you are requiring for some specific product. If you want to make your visitors behavior or something like that, you can request Amazon that for that special tag or sub tag. And the next point, you can add or delete any kind of product on your website, or that special link on your website without approval of without approval of Amazon. Like if your website is accepted for that Amazon associate program, or your app is accepted for Amazon associate program, you don't need to get permission every time before applying that link on your before putting that special link on your website. Like it's the one time process. You cannot you don't need to use, you don't need to put applications, you don't need to put emails again and again. So it's important point. The next point, like if the next point, you must remove your website, or if there are any links or any websites, any other links on your website, you must remove those links on your website before doing it for before uh, like uh, uh, exclusively providing it for Amazon. And the next point is very important. You cannot make any inaccurate, overboard, or deceptive, or otherwise misleading claim about any product. Like if there is any kind of detail of product on Amazon, you cannot add anything about that. Like if the person who is selling that product on Amazon, if they are claiming something like they are confirming something, some task in 15 days for by using that some specific product, you cannot claim it like it will be done in 7 days. So you cannot, and you cannot make any claim by yourself. You can simply use all the material, all the details of product which will be provided by that specific person who is selling that product. And the next point, sometime prices, availability of product changes on the Amazon time by time. So if you cannot use, you must be up to date according to that product whom's link you are using on your website, whose special link you are using on your website. You cannot use that link if you are claiming the price of something $12, but its price has been changed to $15, so you must be updated with that. And then next thing is the requirement for application of special link which will be available to you by Amazon. Is the same material. The Amazon want you to assure that Amazon has right to come on your website, to monitor your website, to check whether you are violating any of their policy or not. So Amazon has right, if you if they notice that you are violating their policy, they can cancel your contract anytime, and you will not be paid out for any kind of promotion. And the next point, uh, about the responsibility of your website. You are only responsible for your website. Like if you want to add some more content on your website, if you want to develop your website, if you want to make some more operations, if you want maintenance, all that responsibility belongs to you. It's your headache to hold, to make your website better, to attract more and more customers and more visitors on your website. It's a sole your responsibility. Amazon has nothing to do with that, and Amazon will not pay any single penny for that. So it's your responsibility to do that for your website. And there are some promotional limitations, like you cannot uh, you can use those links on your website, but you cannot promote it on any other way. Like you cannot use any other app which you have not mentioned in the details of your application. You cannot use that website or any app, or you cannot use any offline method for promotion of that. Like you cannot include that in any printing form, printed material, or you cannot use that link on any ebook or email. Like you cannot use that in your private messages on social media, and you cannot attach that link in any email. Like Amazon will be checking they will track the traffic, from where you are getting traffic. So it's you cannot use any other source. You can promote your website, but you cannot promote their product by any other mean. And again, the thing, that special distribution of special link, you cannot distribute that special link through any through any mobile phone, through any computer, through any and other devices, through any app which you haven't mentioned. You cannot use that by other means. You cannot promote that link by other means. And the content of your website, it's all the details which I have already mentioned in the previous part. You can check all those points, and just go through those points before starting. It's about the contents. I think I have already mentioned all those things. There are some licenses, there are some agreements you can see, you can check out before putting your application, before putting your website on Amazon application, Amazon Associate Program application. So that's all about some requirements. In my next video I will discuss about the different kind of products which you can promote, and definitely we will discuss which products are more suitable, which product have more potential on Amazon website, which products have less potential. Definitely we will discuss in next video. If you find this video informative, uh, nothing is wrong if you can like my video. Yeah, you can press subscribe button to subscribe my channel. You can press bell icon, so you will get notification when I will upload any of such informative video. Thank you so much. See you next time with some more exciting new video. See you.